Hindi ka naman nakakuha. Sadya lang.
Nakaupo ka lang ako sa mga.
Pag-one-tip nga. Ay! Ano nga yan siya? Aman ngayon ako yun. Nine? Nagkwinta? Ano yan ah?
Nagkira ito.
Atres.
Tapos ano yun?
Right. Ay. Oh.
Never succeeds. I was so cold to believe my heart in Christ. Hi, Rick. Good morning. Oh, you wake up early. Hi, Rick. You wake up early. It's working now. Oh, it's working. Good morning to you. Night here in the Philippines. Night. This is for long when it sounds like heroin. Yeah, heroin here in the Philippines. I hear no, Bicol province, heroin. But in the other, I don't know, maybe in Manila, sunny. Here in the Bicol, raining. Ambitious for long ways. You look wonderful tonight. It feels wonderful because I see the love I see in the moment of it all. And I just want to realize how much I love you. I would take the rain over the snow right now. We got about 5 inches of snow last night. Oh my god! 5 inches of snow! So cold. Ismael Rodriguez. Hi, welcome. 9 people. This beautiful lady. And this is so long and deep. Hi, Craig. Awesome. Good morning. Good morning to you. Oh my god. Here in the Philippines, night here. So, good morning to you, everyone. Living in the US. It's beautiful lady. This is so long.
Mama, okay.
Thank you, 12 people. 14 people in the house. From the Colog City, Craig Aten. Ah, okay. From Bacolod. Good evening, Rapunzel. Do you? Oh my god. I like her talk. Thank you. It's beautiful lady. 15 people in the house. You have some beautiful hair. Thank you, Eric Thomas. You have beautiful figure. Thank you, Ezra. Oh my god. Carlos, thank you. Thank you, 21 people. It's beautiful lady. 24, 27. Thank you so much, Robert. Oh my god. Carlos, calm down. Yes, please bend over one. My god. Pervert not allowed here. Sorry. Donnie, thank you, Donnie. This beautiful way. Thank you, 50 people in the house. My god. Thank you so much. It's beautiful day. The buses are long when they hey. Thank you so much. Like, share, subscribe. But thank you so much, we for supporting. Thank you so much. Thank you, Pa. Thank you. I love dancing. Hi, thank you, Margot. For the US, are you? Ah, what? Thank you so much. 49 people. Thank you so much. Wow. Bakit nag-ipon ka? Unlimited, no freedom, that's what it does. I was so good to you. My heart has been say certain times. I was so good to believe. I was so good. You so much more. I tried to run from yourself, at each place I was. Only reminds me of you. When I deny the light, even else, it only reminds me of you. Thank you so much. 45 people in the house. My God. Niel Dari. Kamal. Hi, Kamal. Kamal. Bars. Bird. Ricardo Burgos. Hello. I was so full to believe my heart lies. You could I ever let you go? So much you have to know. Please, hi, real tree life. Real tree life. How could I ever let you go? So much you have. Hola, Marcol Leren. Let's have respect for the host. Thank you, Rick. Thank you. You're looking sweet and cute. Thank you, real true life. Let you go. So much to have to let you know. As I try to run from your side, but it's busy. Thank you so much. Down, what a fear. Here we are. Down. What's up? Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much. It's so. Thank you for the likes. Would you like to go out for a date? No. 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 Girls. No, I'm not going out for a date. I'm 31 years old, 40, turning 41. I'm older than you. Could I ever go back toes again dance? Hi, Fred! Oh my God, I'm 32. 32, oh my God. Thank you, Sir Fred, for joining. I know. Real tree. No need to say that. Thank you, Sir Fred. How are ya? Long time, long time shower. I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm here to do someone. Thank you, Golden. How old are you? I'm 40. 40. Good morning, Fred. Hello. That's alright. It's alright. Thank you so much. Thank you. I'm 32. Satyam. My Satyam. You look amazing today. Thank you, Pat. I'm 30. Satyam, Satyam, Satyam. Hi, boss. Great dance today. Very good morning to you, to me. Great dance today. Where are you fine? Where are you, Fred? How many United States is cost? Satyam, 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 Satyam. Hi, boss. Don't be shy. Why should I shy? Why should I shy? Hi, boss. It's alright. Mara's live vlog. Hi, Mara's live. Good evening. Tagasan ka, Bicol po. I'm retired in Philippines, but from New York. Wow. Thomas, thank you for the dance. I like you. Thank you. Hello po. Hi, Mara's live vlog. Thank you for joining. Thank you for liking me, Satya. Oh, nice. Hoping to be Philippines. So, you're always shy, Cheryl. I'm always shy? Oh, I'm not shy. Oh my god. I'm shy. You're all beautiful. Thank you so much for joining. Sue. It's alright. Thank you, Mara's live flag. Thank you for joining. Do you have? I have. I have. Okay, watch, guys. Thank you, Fred. It's like done po. Thank you, Mara's live vlog. Thank you for the likes. Cheryl, you're beautiful. Oh, thank you, Sir Fred. Thank you, Sir Fred.
Tuloy na siya dapat pangalan mo.
It's alright.
Post it up there. Start. Test running, please. Test running, please, mama.
It's alright. You're married? I'm not married. Never been married po. Insta name, please. Say my name. Say my name. Say my name. Say my name.
Right.
Hey, sure, Mister. Would you like to dance? No. No. I can dance my own. Why should I dance with someone? Oh, you're not blushing tonight. Not blushing. It's alright. Dancing in the moonlight. I know I never loved this sweet again. Oh. Mara's live vlog. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you sa heart. Mara's vlog. Not yet anyway. Not yet anyway. Anyway, dance. Not dirty dancing, just. Oh, no, never. Sister. Sa gitna ng panahon, you are sweet and beautiful. Really? 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 And then I succeeded with you. Thank you, 19 likes. Are you okay? Everything okay? I'm fine. I need to sit down. I'm okay. I don't know how about sweet. I don't know about sweet. Sweet, the chocolate is sweet. The Cloud9. Cloud9.
It's coconut.
Okay, God. Amazing, amazing, amazing. 29 people. Wow, your eyes are beautiful. Shibuang ka. Hehehe. I know I'm crazy, sometimes, but not all the time. Absolutely gorgeous. Thank you, Vic. Pork and healthy. Toffee. I'm always crazy. Always crazy. You are beautiful and sweet. Thank you, pa. RF 1997. Hi. I'm from Philippines. Satyam, I always say that I'm not married. I'm not married. What a good date. What a good date for the wedding. I don't know. The century, the half century outdoors. I don't know. So what do you think about my friend? Okay, you are beautiful, Rose. I'm from Indonesia. Nice to meet you from Indonesia. I guess we need to get you more chocolates, my friend. Love chocolate. Yeah. Haha. Your smile is sweet. Always. Thank you, always.
Amel, ang liyog mo. Nandam ko ang ulo.
Ay, of course.
Pwede pala. Ay, pwede naman pala, oh. Hindi, pwede man sa imo.
Ah, I know what you need. I get meant to please you. I'm pleased you to meet you. Very respectful, Mr. Yes. Mr. 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 One chocolate for me. No. The chocolate is just enough for me. Sorry, I'm selfish, Satya. The chocolate is expensive. Oh my God, you are angel of the sky. Unbelievable words. How I believe.
Angel of this.
Angel, you are angel of the angel of the soul. Ano yun? It's alright. Sorry. Thank you so much. 24 people in the house. My God. Hi, 48. No. Where are you from, guys? Davian. Thank you, Davian. Oh my God. Have a good night, Cheryl. Thank you, Sir Fred. Good night. I guess I will have to bring suitcase with just chocolate in. Weak. Chocolate. Like the chocolate is Hershey's, the kisses, something like that. Well, spend some time with my wife. Okay. Thank you, Sir Fred. Say hi to your wife. Thank you so much for joining. Child cares. Center big families. Yeah. We have a big family. It's alright. The moonlight. Ezra. Xavier, Christopher, Coco Twave. 30 people. Savior. Sa gitna. Ba't hindi dito ang baso mo? Go. Are you... Oh my God. Ulit-ulit ka man. I always said I'm not Italian, girl. I'm not. I'm 65, but I still got it, honey. Oh my God. Frank Hayes, say Savior from Casper. Are enjoying yourself tonight? Oh my God. Just tell me where do I start, 'cause it's breaking my heart. Don't wanna let her go. Maybe my love will come back someday. Only 27 people in the house. Kapag ako'y nagmahal, ang lahat na nito'y magagawa. Handa akong maging sweet, sweetie beauty, sweetie beauty, sweetie beauty. Hi, Beno. Hello, Beno. Hello, Beno. Big Lan. Thank you so much, Big Lan. Thank you so much. Maybe my love will come back someday. Thank you, 22 people in the house. Thank you, Beglan. The Beglan. Only
Mama, hindi ko ah.
Thank you so much. Don't forget to double tap your screen and subscribe, everyone. It's free. Thank you, Beglan. Once again, dance please. No. If you give the super chat, the gaps table dance. Sup chum. Super chats, super stickers, and membership are available, everyone. Tap the $sign on the lower right of your screen. Thank you, Beglan. Thank you so much, Mr. Sharon. Only heaven knows, maybe how to find the way. All I can do is hope and pray. Why does it hurt me so? Maybe my love will come back someday. There's 7 people in the house. Thank you so much. Thank you for the likes. Only $35 people in the house. Oh my god.
Balik ka 30.
11 people here. Let's get this party started. Bring out the karaoke. No karaoke. Only heaven knows. Last like 25. Thank you. No, not last like. Oh my god. More likes. More likes, my god. Beno. Aray.
Kakak.
Wow, nagpajama si Cora.
Pinito na meron ka din.
Naka-electric pan nga inahay. Hi, good morning. Questlet.
Ay, good morning.
Sa
Kampino.
kanira, good morning.
Ay, saan mo sa kanila?
Aga pala.
Tagadiin sila.
I don't know. A positive game, very powerful. Formal-like. Yan, please. Veno. Ilang likes ang ibibigay mo, my God? Queen 5 people. Na ngayon wala na sa aking piling.
Yan yung maganda.
Ala-ala ang kasama. Zua 360 fail eh. Shoot the moon sa owl back to you're beautiful. Have a great day. Thank you, press. Oh my God! Antok na mi.
At book yarn.
Go sleepy na. Fiona, I will do it if you send a super chat. If not, I can. Sorry. Sorry. Why does it hurt me so? Maybe my love can back someday. Still 6 people. Thank you so much. Let's do 50 likes, guys. Come on. Thank you, Rick.
Ay!
Oh God. Oh my God, What about dinner? What are you eating every day? Dinner? We already eat dinner. Our dinner is rice, fish, and vegetable. Let's get a 360. 360 duh. $20 super chat. Maybe she will dance for you. Yes. Yeah. If send super chat, I will dance. If not, no dance. Thank you, Rick. You have to get cheeky with it to lighten up. Star. Thank you, Rick. Why does it hurt me so? Maybe my love will come back someday. Maybe Oh,
I can work.
stick to your guns. Then, if they want something, they need to donate. Uh, stick to your guns. They want something, they need to, they want something. Yeah. Thank you. 12 people. Today I am top 10 hard to be well. Tomatoes, legal, the finger, green peas, all mix. All mix. Sorry, 10 grams. 10 grams. Thank you so much. Alright. 23, remember me? Isaac Chan. A mini join here, so sorry if I forgot. Who are you? Yeah, I forget many people because but thank you for joining here. From yesterday, yeah. Okay, thank you. Sorry, from yesterday. Thank you for the likes, guys. Sunday. I can. 19 people in the house. Thank you so much. Go. Gallo Vera. Gallo Vera. Hi, Gallo Vera. Hello. Gallo Vera. All of 1%. Well, what are you thinking about? Put a smile on your face, please. Oh my god. Thank you, Rick. Oh my god. Temp plus like 30. What are your goals? Are you ambitious? So you know what, Mr. Ed, everyone have an ambition or I have Everyone have a dream, but it depends on the people, you know. Oh my. Thank you, 17. Jesus. Lemons. Good night, beautiful Cheryl and family. God bless you tonight. I thank you. I thank you, Rick, for the gift. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much for the gift. Thank you, God. Make me smile. Maybe my love can last some days. Only heaven knows.
Thank you.
Thank you. 16 PayPal. 16 PayPal in the house. All I can do is hope and
Wow, ang bula pa lang.
Thank you so much. Famous Philippines. Come on, guys. Let's smash the super check to help her out. Thank you, Rick. Five more kids, then they help out when Cheryl retirements. That's the culture there. It's pretty good. Yes, family takes care of family. Yeah. Mick Jane. Hi, Mick Jane 269.
Man, nagkaratagan na.
Where are you from, Mick Jane? Huh?
Karatagan na.
Mababa ka sa English.
Hindi ko na mara.
Galingan mo sa English. Galingan mo. Hindi ka nag-aadal pa.
Pero ang masamat ko.
Magaling ka sa English. One more. Emails Hammer. Huh?
Hindi ko na sama, mas ito speaking. Easy. Easy.
Oo, magaling ka sa pero dapat
Balyang mga ano lang.
ha? Ano?
Inaimad ka na mama na 400 ang grade.
Wala, nobody's perfect.
Oh, puro perfect.
Mine, she's one and she's married. Huh? No. I know.
Mama, sa Troga may eskwela.
Ano ba? Basta sa aga, wala akong gusto.
Sa Troga may tsaka na ang eskwela. Muring babalay.
Girls, seagulls, no, never. When I'm not like that. Never happened. This may be
Is. Yan ano na yan? Baka o, inaano na yan.
lamig. Kapinit.
Kaya,
Ay, kaya man napinito kami electric fan.
ay, man mama nagbakal ko. Mapinitan mo,
Just
bakal pa ko.
fun. No. Always. No, never. Never happened. No. Never, never. Never, never, never. So tell me where do you want to start? Sinking my heart. Don't wanna let her go. Maybe my love will come down someday. Oh,
Yung iniibig.
just entertain. Thank you, 30 people. Hit the likes. Thank you for the likes, everyone. Alan. Alan Scarborough. Galing naman. Thank you. Sinong may sabi, makakating labi, di naman totoo ay Sinong may issues? Yes, this is good fun. Kahit na walang ganito lang ako, simpleng pagmamayabang ko lang sa'yo. Bagyong ganito lang ako, simpleng pagmamahal sa'yo. Ganito lang ito, simpleng pagmamahal ko lang sa'yo. Ganito lang ito, simpleng sige ko ano. Hello, Johnny Rangan. Johnny Rangan. Ganito lang ako, simpleng pagmamahal ko lang Hi, Steven. Do you like to wear skirt? Huh? Why? Hold on more. Tiny star. Tulan atas pagmamayaban ko lang sa'yo. Say down, dancing in the club. They look nice on you. Thank you, Steven Clancy. Steven Clancy. Every night in my dreams, I say you. That is how I know you. Wherever you are, I believe that you matter. My heart will love and touches one time. Just for a near, far, wherever. Hi, Damian, Davion. Take me along. Hi, Sir Davian. Aray ko, aray. Is that your children in the background? And my kid is one kid. David. I have one kid. Please don't stop. Have you ever been to Jamaica? Yes. Never been. Never been. Hi, Indoor Cross. Thank you for joining. Again. How are you? Thank you for joining, sir. Thank you for 12 people here. Thank you someone sending heart. Nagkamali. Nagkamali mag-send ng heart. Ay, if you don't snore when I sleep. Oh my god. You crazy, mister. Mister, you are crazy. My god. I'm good. How are you? I'm fine. How about you, sir? Eager Cross. How are you? What? What? I don't understand. Maybe it's Thailand. Thailand language. I'm really good, enjoying the year so far. Good to hear you. Good to hear for you, Sir Eager Cross. Here, really here. Winning here at the Bicol Province, Philippines. Here the rain. You are so beautiful. Thank you, Davian. You need to sing out of it. My God. Sounds like it's raining and hard, yeah. Raining and hard, the rain. People rain, oh my god. It's too loud, the rain is too loud. Must be some early Halloween and you're looking rather cool. Thank you, Sir Edward Class. Thank you so much. keep up good times to the game to a dance with it's raining, yeah, it's raining here. Edward, it's Nancy. Thank you so much, people. Down to me. Thanks, so beautiful. Thank you, Dawn. Thank you, Dawn. I'm off. Keep her safe, Beglon. Talk to you later. Thank you, Rick. Thank you so much for joining here. Thanks a lot. Egger Cross. Thank you, sir, Egger Cross. Baby, come to me. You will come to me. Dedicate my life. Thank you so much. Yes. Eloy. Oh, Eloy. Eloy, Eloy. Eloy. Thank you so much. Hi, Redwood. David Moore. Hi. Grade 1, I don't understand your words. Maybe it translated in English, or Tagalog, or Bicol. You were coming dedicate
Nandito ako, umiibig
but no, darling. Hi, Mike. Good evening, Cheryl. Hi, Mike. Thank you for joining. Gotta go waiting forever.
Ma'am, papunta
Thank
saga.
you for the likes. You come to me. Okay, thank you, 28
Mama.
people here.
Mapapakalaw kay Papa sa pag-study anyway, no? Eh, sabay na yung review. I can see this thing too much. Ano mama, di ako nagpa-Manila sa Pasko. Ano ka Manila sa Pasko? Nakamaipod ko to, pinke. Mama, paano kita magpa-Manila pang Pasko ulit? Hindi kimba.
Get them to the internet. They won't sleep till 4 a.m. My God. Mister. Love. Men's are what? I'm celebrating.
Init.
Good evening, I'm from Brazil. Hi, from Brazil. Thank you, 21 people in the house. Thanks a lot. Hi, Tigrant. Thank you for joining, Tigrant. How are ya? Long time no here. I'm fine, Edgar.
Papa, nagkakaroon habang nag-uyag.
Karen?
Ganda na pag-live.
Oo, pwede na. Ay, diri pwede.
No? Kaya may episode to.
Ay, ba man yun? But their trolls don't stop. Please respect owner. Thank you. Yes. Thank you, Mike. 26 people here. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for the likes.
Umarang po kayo pupunta sa mag-live sa TikTok.
Ha?
Arang may gumawa mag-live sa TikTok.
Alam ko man.
Please.
Thank you so much. 20 people here. What are you doing, Mike? Good morning to you. What's up? What happened? Get up. Thank you, 17 people. Thank you, Igor Cross. Thank you, Sir Igor. Beautiful eyes and lovely hair and a great smile. Thank you, Sir Igor. Thank you so much. Ty Grant. Thank you, 27 people here. Thanks a lot. Oh my God. Thank you, Mike. Thank you so much. My God, thank you, Pa. Thank you for the orange, yellow orange. Orange. Thank you for the orange. Thank you for the gift.
20. Oh, bali. Bali, pati.
Thank you. Oh, thank you so much. Red on, guys, red color. How about red? I don't know what's the red. Maybe it's high. Thank you so much for the gift. Sir Joel Matthews, with the kids being so playful. I thought you could use some coffee. Some coffee. Some coffee. 29 people here. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Oh, thank you, 20 likes. 20 people. My God. 44 likes. Thanks a lot. Classic good. Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. You were down to me. Thank you so much. Supportive here. Thanks a lot. That's right. I thought you, I know you're already sleeping. Why you here again? Still very fun. Thank you so much. Likes. 44 likes. Summer. Sorry, can't sleep. You need to sleep. You know what the no? Health is wealth. Choose a move around, please. Like Mara's life lag. Hi, Mara's life lag. Thank you for joining. Wala akong pera. Ganito lang ako. Simpleng tao. Pagmamayabang ko lang sa'yo. Mara's Life Vlog, thank you for joining po. Salamat po sa pagpunta. Sabihin alam na hindi mo isipin alam na sakit isipin kahit mahal ka puso't isipan magkaiba. Do you like bot? Sinisabi natin I know. Thank you, Derek. Thank you, Raymond. Thank you for the likes.
Babunto ka sa aga.
Chut, chut. Makabunta ako.
Sa aga.
Oo.
Napunta ka.
Man,
Dala mo yung cellphone ko.
sige, mudunta lang.
Hihinat ka.
Battery yun. Paano susunod ka? Itong sa inyo. Hindi ka pagamitan pag
Basta. Bakal ka. Bater. Ang tindahan. Tindahan.
Ito ka lang talaga yung battery.
May bater.
Di man yun. Iba ko ng battery sa cellphone. Thank you pa. Why are you getting married? When? No, never getting married. No. Oh my God. Never get married. No one can marry me now. God. Why never? Where? Who? Who get who? Gosh, hello. How come not? I don't know. See, I'm not tired. Thank you, 22 people. Thank you for the likes. Hit the likes, please. Please. Please.
Mama, sabi daw ni Papa, ba't nandoon init?
Okay. Thank you. Thank you sa nag-likes. Kailangan talagang hingin. Nagmakaawa. Nagmamakaawa ako. Nagmamakaawa. Please lang. Please. Please forgive me.
Mapadig ka, masabog to.
Oh my God, salamat nagdagdag. Nadagdagan.
Ang duwits.
Nadagdagan yung yung likes. So, nag-47 na. I-15 nyo na. Huwag nyo na kayo mahiga.
14 lang ang biro ko.
Huwag nyo na kayo mahiga. Todo nyo na. Todo nyo. Salamat sa nag-heart. I-heart mo pa. So, baby, why you just make me in the middle? I'm losing my mind just a little. Thank you for, oh my God. Roberto. Ulit yung Roberto. 13 people. Sana dalawa ang puso ko, hindi na sana nalilito. Kung sino sa inyo sana dalawa ang puso ka. Kahit na wala akong pera, ganito lang ako, simpleng tao. Mamayabang ko lang sa'yo.
Mayabang.
O pagmamalaki. Yabang o laki? Ano? Ayan, guys.
Abarra.
Kita ko at nasabi kong ikaw naman ang nilalang mo. Isang katulad mo na dati ay Pag-ibig na wagas ang siyang naramdaman. Kailanman pag-ibig na wagas ang siyang Oh, salamat na nagdagdagan. Patuloy na pagdadagdag, dagdagan mo lang. Pilad. Hi, Pilad. Slim 6. Slim na. Tao kanina is, good night, beautiful lady. I will catch up with you again. You have a beautiful smile. Thank you, Sir Igor. Igor Cross. Thank you for joining. Kumusta po? Okay naman. Ikaw po, kumusta?
Okay lang.
Hey, Suhada. What time is it over? 49 na. Time here. Time here. 8:43 in the evening.
May mga
Time check. 8:43 in the night. Good evening.
Wala,
50. 50 likes. There.
Mama, nagkapigsain mo, kurte?
Diri. 1.4.
Ako, kurte. Hindi ka baba lang.
Doraemon. Salamat sa this is size. Canton. Pag-ibig na wagas ang siyang naramdaman.
51 na, ma.
Oh my God! Salamat! Patuloy na nadadagdag ang ating likes. Go, tuloy-tuloy lang.
Sabi sila.
Papit lang. Yes!
Dito na na, ekstorya niya. Pupunta ko na siya.
Yeah. Oh my God, 52 na.
53 niya, 53.
Mag-53 yan.
53. Awan.
Chico, like 51. Thank you.
53.
53. Oh, mag-54 na yan.
Diba? Ubus ang ubulak.
Saludos this the America Latina. Salamat. Mag-54 yan na si ha. 54.
Actually, hi. At na-send lang.
Hey, Kitty. Hi, Sir Marcos.
Si Cutie. Cutie daw.
Mag-50. Oh, 54. Mag-55 yan.
Nagayon na. Tita, may bomba. Pwede na ka.
Batog na naman. Ato pa naka-live ako.
54. Ay, 55 pala.
O naman na si Ash. Mag-55 yan.
Yarn.
55 yarn.
55 now. 55.
55
Nagbawas
likes.
lang ang viewers.
Nagbawas.
Say hi. Hello. Hello.
You can come back. Is that
Is that
your daughter?
your-
No, she's my niece. My brother's daughter.
Sister. Ay,
my
oh,
name.
55.
Her name is Ashley.
55. Tita, mama, 55 na. Pambumba ka mo, tita. Mama,
May
55
si
na.
Kuya.
Ah, 55 na.
Oh my God, 55. 56 mo na yan.
Yan. Hi, hello. Linda daw, Linda. Ow. Linda.
Hi, Joy. Her niece, yeah.
56. 56.
56 mo na. Likes.
Yarn. 1,
Sir Mike. Yes,
Two,
Mike. She's
three,
my niece.
four.
My brother's daughter.
5.
Yeah, this is my son. He's my son. He felt shy.
Oh, 56.
Yes, 57 more. 57 lang.
Nag-ipasexy. Binayari na kama. Kaya ka bumala kami.
57 mo na, sir. Mga sir.
Sita, pwede yan sa panlubo pa. Nag 300 na. Oh, 58. Nakalubo kita sa...
She looks like you, beautiful. Oh, thank you, Asra. 57 likes.
6. 57.
57.
Ipa-67 dapat yada. Please like and subscribe. 58. Ay,
57.
please.
Thank you. Ah,
That looks like you beautiful daw.
Na gano'n na. Nagbayan.
Tama. Pag nilagay mo doon, ayan ang pagkakasar yung mango. Wala, chocolate. Siyempre, marag prutas lang. Bawal man yun na
Oh, prutas mo na.
mango. Oh, prutas nun eh.
Ah, sige, ano?
Abo, kuman mango. Kaya nga eh, prutas nila. Kuman mangga, matamis. Oh, 57.
Oh, 57. Good job, guys. 58 mo na yan. Tapos,
Bumala ka na.
57. Sabi mo, 58 na yan, guys. 58.
39.
What's your son's name? My son's name, Gabriel.
Ano ka studio?
Sabi mo, babawal.
Itawik lang ko kaya.
What?
Tita lang, gamit mo na shampoo ka dahil maliit na iton.
How old are you? 58 mo na.
58.
Tapos, ano mo ko? Kasi,
58 na.
Guys.
Nagkatakurungan ka na tayo.
Sige, pakurungan.
58.
Ipakurong tayo ito. Kaya. Kasi paano pakurong?
Dere, saka mo.
Ah, sige,
58.
58 mo na. Wow, maybe you will make it 100 likes tonight. Yeah. I hope make it 100 likes tonight.
That 100 yada mo.
100.
Wow!
It looks good. 100 likes tonight.
58 na.
58
Tita,
likes.
powder na to.
You likes me
Intiro na lang ha. Sa'yo mo.
If you don't like, send the super chat. Aray.
58 na mama.
Ara pa.
Hehehe, na.
58 mo. 58 mo. Oh, sabi mo, kurungan mo ako.
Okay na lang. Wait lang. Tawa to.
Ang ganun pala yan. Oh, ang galing naman. Pwede na
Oh,
yun.
ang galing. Ay, adi oh. Wait lang. Lang, ulit ang para doon. Joke lang. Namutan ko. Ano yan? Kampiyon. Oh, ang galing. Tapang ah, tapang oh.
Wow. She's a little cute pie, just like her.
Pie.
Yeah, thank you.
Ay, nakipay.
Cute pie, cute.
Kipay?
Pie. I mean, kasabihan niyo.
Ay, ganito si Andang. Tapos, ano pala ito? Tapos, actually, patindog na yan niya. Gamit ang yan. Ako, actually, inatindog ka, actually. Pamahirap ka.
Ha?
May matry ka. May pamahirap.
Meow, 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 meow.
Hey.
Gabriel like ice cream.
Oo, tama. Problem.
Gabriel like ice cream. 58, please. 58 likes.
Kawat na.
Maton, mag-58.
Titagal. Meow, meow, meow.
Kulog. Aray.
Aray ko.
Aray ko, what's happening,
Aray mo.
baby? 58 likes, very good. 58 likes.
Please.
Go.
Meow, meow, meow. Biglang tita, drawing ang tita.
Ah, sige. Aray.
Ano ka mag-drawing na?
Okay, ball
Gusto
pen.
mo magpatato, tita?
Sige, tatuan mo nga ako.
Nan, gusto mo butterfly?
Butterfly.
Butterfly.
I like butterfly.
Bay, surat na doon Ashley, pangalan ni. Wala, tinata.
Oh my God.
Oh, man.
Oh, man. Ay, nito na bag ko. Kuha ito ka, Ash.
Sile, labatin tag Ashley,
Ito na bag ko.
Sile. Bag mo yan.
Ito.
Ash, kailangan yung... Ashley,
Thank you
kailangan
so
yung
much for joining. 22. Oh my God. Why too long? 58. Ay, yan ganito.
Uy, kaya? Kaya ang buha. Highlight mo natin baka.
Sa National Bookstore.
Ano?
Dali na.
Kanya daw, mama. Ano? Ano ba? Nabubula, ayaw de?
SpongeBob.
Ama, kagayo. Tita, nabubula. Maski dere. Dere, uluson. Actually, si SpongeBob. Sino gusto nagpahay mo, tita?
Sa imo ba kayong gano'n ka? Boy Scout ka?
Hala.
Bata mag 58. Hi, James.
Hindi ka pala.
Jacob. Fitness. Thank you. Batang tagal. 58. Nag-stock up na sa 57. Wow.
Say. Oh, mama mo yun yung binakal mo ng cellphone?
Dere, puhuyo ko. Maribo ko nag-canvas pa lang namin. Wow! Ang galing naman mag-drawing niyo. Butterfly. Wow! So beautiful.
Ang wala.
Wow, ang galing. Tato artist. White eye. The butterfly. Oh my. Carlos. You are the perfect definition of
Padarawingan mo
strength
sa akon.
with gentleness.
Tita na rin naman, bro.
Flower.
Flower.
Gentleness, an admirable woman. In every way, a kiss to your heart. Thank you. What ang taga? A tattoo artist. She will be young. Ang tagal mag 58.
Hala, mali.
Okay lang.
Mali ako.
Sige lang.
Mali ako.
Baga na apple.
Wala apple yan. May kamo din.
Sige lang. Take your time.
Tita, gusto ko magtrabaho picture.
Picture.
Apa. Ano, ngalihan man.
Sige na. Wait lang.
Ano yun? Ang sagot ko na nagkalat. Flowers ba ya? Flowers. Hala, di ko nabutang ka lady. Mesa.
Wow, ang ganda. The flower vase. 58 na.
Ah,
58.
diba?
Thank you sa nag-58.
Yay! 58 na! Ipasig 7 na.
Ay, ba't yun?
6. Tita ko,
The
mama.
flower vase.
Tita, drawing man
The
ako
flower
sa akon.
vase and the
Tita, drawing man sa akon. Ako. Madrawing man ako. Madrawing man ako
Sige.
sa akon.
My God.
Gusto ko.
Thank you.
Butterfly. Butterfly.
Butterfly.
Butterfly.
58 likes na. 59 mo na yan.
You wanna
59 na.
Ano wanna take it?
If you wanna
Take it.
take it.
Para di na.
Come on, viewers, please hit
Take
the like
it.
button.
Para di masakit. I wanna.
And
Hackers.
And subscribe to the host. Thank you, Mike. Gabriel, how much you changed me for a tattoo when I come to see Auntie. It's not Gabriel, she's Ashley. Her name is Ashley. 59, Vivo. Hi, Vivo Y20.
Ano yun na Vivo?
Vivo Y20. What?
Ano yan?
Vivo channel.
Vivo
Vivo cellphone.
Check it.
Ay, bond paper ka?
Band paper.
Lagyan ko yan, tita, lagyan ko yan din number para sabihin sa barkada mo, sabihon mo, 28 lang yan.
Yeah po. Oh, 59, Ash. 59 na. Oh my God, it's 60 mo na. 60 po pa.
Bumbur mo man, tita.
Huh?
Bumbur mo sa number.
50, 60 mo na. Oh, sorry, I thought you said Gabriela. No, it's not. Ano. Gabriel is my name, my son. Gabriel. Ashley, she's my niece.
Tita,
Her name is
ang
Ashley.
ino ko ka mo, sir.
Yo, Ash ba dyan?
Ashley Mayabang.
16 yun na. Ash.
Pagalong ko
How is typing? Ay, 60 muna.
16 muna. 60 muna. Anong wala?
Tell me where do I start, cause it's breaking my heart.
Pegat, lagi man ako mag-paper!
Oh, band paper daw. Kay ma-drawing si Ash.
Mag-paper!
Band paper.
Ma-drawing
Puyo na. Oo, tatagang ka doon. Ma-drawing daw si Ash. Ibutang mo ini dito para diri mo wara. Bilin man chinilas mo dito. Oh my God.
Oh,
Jadi butang mo ini dito. Para diri mo wara.
if you want to open ala ko nanduwa. Sinong baby?
Don't wanna live. Ay, 60 yun na. Matagal. Ang kulit
Sili
yun.
pagayo ng drawing.
Makulit yun.
Oo.
Makulit yun.
Hindi pala
Makulit yun.
Hindi pala mali. Ulit.
Oo, mini.
Drawing yan. The
Ano,
drawing naman.
mini?
Hi, thanks. Good evening.
If you want it.
60 mo na, thanks. 60 likes.
If you want it. Kuya Gab! Wala ko pasag na.
Pasag na.
Pasunadan. Tagan mo pasunadan.
Pasag na.
Thank you for the like. 60 likes, please.
Pasag na.
Pasag na.
Drawing. Ako, kabili ako.
60
Balay na lang.
na. 60 mo na.
Hindi sa ako.
Pagka.
Hindi ako. Maliit lang sa ako.
Wow. Uy, ang galing naman mag-drawing.
Bagayunan. Mami,
Ala, kay wala natin.
magbulping ka na lang.
Ala, kay...
Magbulpin ka muna bago mo kulayan.
Ay, diba?
Ala.
Ano, magbulping ka muna. Ito dito, sa bag ni mama, may bulping.
Mura doon. Magbulpin ka.
Wala man.
Ah, 16 na! My God!
Tita, wala. Tita, wala ako boyfriend.
61 na yan. 61 mo na yan. 61. Ano? Ito.
Sinira, sabi nagputo.
Ano? Ito.
Raman? Gamitin mo na yun.
61 mo na yan.
Wala man na tita.
61 mo na. Tell me where you would start.
Hindi ka na magsurat, oh.
Ah, kasi siguro nakalak pa to. Ah, hindi. Wala talaga.
The Twitter.
Come on, let her go. Maybe my love can bang, Fiona.
Di bawal mamimod.
Oh my God.
Nagkikariwit na gudo.
Wala pwede yung digisiyon. Ay, naman.
Kasi yan. Bigibisi yan lang. Sige ito magpula. Gosh! Sige ito nagawaan mo. Ay, sorry ka.
Salo na lang sa ako.
Chika na gusto, teka mo pa mo. Si ama mo.
Wow, ang galing naman nila mag-ano.
Mag-draw.
61 yun, no?
61 na? Oh, pang mahirap lang na balay.
Ako man.
So, sleepy na.
Pan mahirap na.
Wow, ang galing naman ni Kuya mag-drawing.
Iyabo ko. No.
They are, ano.
Ay,
Sige na.
pang content.
Para daw, so.
Ay, ang dito ay Sisi. Natla.
They felt shy.
Masaya, masaya. Siya, haraw ay. Content mo sa YouTube. Nangin, marami lang gamoy. Nangingiraw. Kaman sa ako. Diya ang mga. Diya ang sila.
What's up? What's up? What's up?
Para di nangimoy. Yung bunga nga.
I felt sleepy talaga. Oh my God, I can't stop.
Para di nangamoy.
Para di mangamoy.
Yeah, yeah. If you want it.
If you want it.
Ba't nakalapis
Sige.
ako? Biglang ko. Para di nangamoy.
Oh my God, 31 people. Long time no see. Pyongyang. Where are you from? Pyongyang. Pyongyang.
Siyempre, bilang mahirap. Tapat yun.
3D60. Is 61 muna.
Ala, nalungog!
Nagbakawa sa may...
Ayun ako, kuya natanggal.
Tita, nalungog!
Kay.
Butas.
Sige na, ano mo na ito? Palitan mo, Kuya Gab.
Teka,
Masakit sa
Daghanan mo na pa noon, ang bond paper. Grabe man yun na daghan. 61 likes, need 39 more. Ayan.
Mama,
61 na nga, ma.
para tita, padako ko ba? I want ako mag-drawing.
6, 7. 6, 7.
I'm just
Ang
chilling.
pangalawin
Thank you.
naman sa ako. Ay, kutsi.
Oh my God.
Kutsi mo sa akon?
Oh yes, 2 hours na, yes. So I can't reach the watch hour, the 2 hours live. So maybe next time. Maybe next time. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much for joining. Mike, Rick, thank you for thanks. Thank you, thanks. Thank you guys here, and
Ano nanginginog yan?
hope you join next live. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Have a blessed Monday.
Roblox.
What do you call? Happy New Year.
May lapis ka, mama?
Ito.
May pantahal.
Tang. Thank you guys. Hope see you next live. Bye bye. Little fell asleep na. My God. I'm so tired. Good night. Good night. Thank you so much.
Kaya madrawing.
Bye bye.
Ano, lang sa ako na bahay.